we're gonna leave this little note for my dad. Context. I always leave my clothes in the dryer. And my dad gets really, really mad. So, this is for you, Dad. I wanted to actually play a prank on him. And, like, put, like, a shirt right here. Oh, wait. Can you, show them this? Enjoy a nice, relaxing, quiet weekend. The washer is all yours. Okay, that's good. Gonna miss you, Benny. Benny. He likes to go like in the middle of the back, not even on your shoulder.
Like controlling me.
He's so funny. Oh. Alright, we are all packed. And my stuff is right over here. This little ass bag. I'm gonna miss you guys so much. Come here. The whole 3 nights without you?
My head.
Good morning and happy Friday, guys. As you can tell by the title and thumbnail of this video, you guys already know what this video is about. And I am taking you guys along on our little adventure. Right now we're just waiting for our friends to come pick us up and then we are going to hit the road.
Yeah,
We made it. Oy.
I feel like I got deported.
I got deported. Like, we're returning both of them.
Hey. With this wind?
Yeah, it's hot. You got a hot tub.
I saw the black ones, it looks sick.
Let's have a little tour of the house.
Leave luck until we fix.
Oh, so we can't. You should probably bring
Oh.
Wait, so we can get out from here? What's this for connection?
Not at the bathroom.
We each have a bathroom?
Yeah.
Oh, there's 2 restrooms?
Oh,
Yeah.
that's
Nice.
clutch.
So we can now you can watch your clothes or something.
What? Oh, this one has a sliding door.
Dude, they have no olive oil. No olive oil.
Oh, shit.
Sure about the PS5.
Okay, should we have?
Are you acting like you're reading?
I am reading.
Oh, that's how you open it? I fucking ripped the whole bond. I should put a jar to take some food. What?
I sink it. Oh, the quicksand.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's some here.
Where do you think you go?
It was like pitch quiet.
Okay, I know I haven't really been like recording and talking. Reason being is because we are on this trip with another couple and I am a little shyness. Today has been a pretty busy day. We got here like around 1:30 and then we went straight to the grocery store to buy our groceries for the weekend. Then we went to eat and then we... Why are you laughing?
I was like, who's whispering? What the heck? I was like, someone's doing a ritual here.
Talking to my friends.
Your 2 friends?
Yeah, my 2 friends on here. After we ate, we checked into our room. And then, what else did we do? Settled in for a bit, took a nap. And then we went to go check out the sand dunes, which I didn't even know existed. Really freaking cool. The sand is like the softest sand I've ever felt in my life. But yeah, we watched a little bit of the sunset at the sand dunes, which was really beautiful. Although the sun wasn't as out as we would have loved it to be, it was still a really nice little scenic view. And then we're here back at the Airbnb, and now we're going to jump in the hot tub, make a pizza later, and play some beer pong. That is going to be the rest of our night, and then tomorrow will be the Narrows, which I'm so excited about, but a little nervous because it's gonna be mother freaking cold.
We're gonna slide.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Make it and then I'll end the game. Oh yeah, he's fucking. I like him when he's.
It's hot.
No, it's not.
I'm
it feels
hungry.
fresh. But we had breakfast, got ready, as you can see.
We're supposed to be there at 7 in the morning, and it's 12 right now.
Oh yeah, I did not record anything of the hot tub, but the hot tub was a vibe.
At 1 in the morning under 40-degree weather. It was freezing.
Yeah, that was fun time. Fun times. In the moment. But we are ready to go to the Narrows. So excited.
Oh, yeah. Right here. It looks like he's coming. He's flying, but he's really just next to the window.
Like the buffalo.
Oh, damn. Oh, that's where you're going to see what I was talking about. It's called the Temple of Sinawawa.
See now.
Lights requires.
Look at the cute thing. Sick kids.
I think I'm gonna take this one.
Beautiful parks in the country, Zions National Park. So let me tell you a couple of things that might help you. This is a high altitude desert location. So find out rapidly. Because your heart's gonna start beating hard or you're gonna run out of breath. So we just want you to be aware of that. Slow down, take a break, and then keep going, okay? The other thing is, the Park Service is totally where this is for a desert location, southern Utah. The need for water is ever present, so they put in water refilling stations at stop 5, stop 6, and stop 9, just so you can double check the water sources that you brought with you, top them off, and then off you go, okay? Stand by or sit back and relax, enjoy the view. Welcome aboard.
Lead the way, sir.
Second thought, should have get my pants. Walking cold.
You ready?
What?
They're gonna get deep.
Wait.
We out here.
The water's deep.
We out here. Look at how beautiful.
Hey.
Look at how deep it goes.
We got waterproof.
That's supposed to be waterproof.
Oh, no.
You're gonna have some soggy sandwiches. No, wait, we're gonna have some. We're gonna have some soggy sandwiches. Dude, if we did not have this, I would not have been down. I would not have been down to do this. Hell no. Oh, look how beautiful this was. Thank you. Wait, do we have the jalapenos?
Oh, we didn't bring them up. What? The jalapenos?
Oh, I put them in the bag.
Shut up. I don't remember them.
I love these.
Oh.
Hmm? We went all around.
No, I don't remember. Shut up. Shut up. Not for real. Shut up.
Okay, yeah. Note taken, if you're going to come to the Narrows and you come around this season, highly recommend do not come without a wetsuit. They give you the socks and shoes because it is mother freaking cold out here. Last time we came, it was in summertime, so we didn't need all this, and the water was still cold, but it was manageable and it felt fresh. But it's freaking cold out here, and the water can go up to here. My feet are freaking numb. Numb.
Definitely not that way.
How do you feel?
Cold as fuck. Now for my feet or my nose.
Fudge me, fudge me, fudge me. Look. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. The beginning. Oh. And we made it. We did only what, 2 miles?
Not even. Number one.
We did like 1 mile in because we came super late and we have to be back by 7. Wait, what time?
7.
Yeah, 7 to return the equipment and to not miss the last shuttle. If not, we're walking our ass back down, all the way down. And we're not doing that again. But it was really nice. Really nice and really beautiful. Really freaking cold.
Emily, you are sad. You need.
Good morning, guys. Alright, we had a delicious breakfast. Shout out to Areli for breakfast this morning. And we are on our way to the, I was gonna say the Narrows. Well, technically yes, but we're not doing the Narrows hike. We are on our way to do the Emerald Pool hike, which I'm so excited because I remember last time we came, I really wanted to do this hike, but we didn't have enough time. So that is the agenda for today. How do you feel?
Cold.
I think we'll warm up once we're moving our body.
I'm not sure. We're like pants under these.
Well, yeah, those are freaking thin as heck anyway.
They are thin.
First of all, we realized that yesterday we didn't even do like half of the Narrows. That is our fault though, because we woke up really late. We went a little too hard the night before and woke up really late. The Narrows is something you have to get to really early in the morning because it is a 16-mile hike. And my goal in life right now is to finish the Narrow hike all the way.
But if let's steal the horn.
No, I don't run. Yeah.
올라가는 거 이제 퍼밋 있어야지 올라가는 거.
It's pretty gnarly.
This is how the canyon, the Narrows goes away.
Oh, really?
Yeah. All tight. Oh, yeah, I see you heard him.
What?
Says, "Podemos caer."
This is a
Like,
really
we're all right
steep
here, I'm on
hike.
the ground.
2 mile steep hike.
No, he said la comida.
Wait. It's all about the climb, guys.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
No, they made these really steep.
This is the hardest hike I've done in my life. Oh my. Just look how high we are. And it's steep all the way. Steep all the way. Now this is a hike you definitely do not want to do in summer. Like, this is the perfect weather to do this hike at least. The Narrows, summertime, or at least late spring. But if you want to do towards Angel's Landing, I definitely don't recommend doing this in the summer.
Because you don't go down the same way, right?
No, you go down the other way.
But there's people coming back down this one. I'm like, bro, like, what if you're going up?
Yeah.
I'm not letting go of the chain.
Damn, there's people right there.
Yeah, they're dumb, bro.
The what? This is pretty gnarly.
I got 3. Alright, I'll eat them.
You're longer.
You're on the front, you're on the front.
Going down. Hey, you scared me.
Get me off this.
What would you rate this hike?
From what? Like how fun it is or how scary it is?
From the scenic views to the difficulty.
On the difficulty, it's a 10 out of 10. Views, 10 out of 10 because it's pretty, but it's fucking scary.
But you are also afraid of heights, so that's why it's scary. But scenic view, 100 out of 10. Breathtaking. Wouldn't you say?
Yeah, because I couldn't breathe.
Thank you. What sauce is this? I'm sorry.
It's fine. It's healthy.
Not good.